Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel, Memorizing Characters, the most common Chinese radicals explained in English. Today let's talk about 宝盖头. 宝盖头 is a radical. It's often associated with house construction. 宝盖头 are commonly written on the top of Chinese characters. Let's take some examples. First one, house-related Chinese words such as 家, house, home, 室, room, 宅, means house, and 宫 means palace. The second one, adjectives related to house. For example, 宽 means wide. Next one, 寒 寒冷 cold. 红 Marco. 记 silent. Verbs related to house. For example, 寄 means send. 遇 live. Other words associated with house. For example, 客 guest, 时 reality, 富 rich, 安 save. When you write 宝盖头 in cursive, you can write it like this. 空 empty. 宁 peaceful. 手 guard. 宿 stay. 宝盖头 house construction related. House related Chinese words such as 家 home, 室 room, 宅 house, 宫 palace. Adjectives related to house 宽 wide, 寒 cold, 红 Marco, 寂 silent. Verbs related to house 寄 send, 寓 live. Other words associated with house 客 guest, 实 reality, 富 rich, 安 safe, 空 empty, 宁 peaceful, 守 guard, 宿 stay. Please comment any other words or sentence with the Chinese radical 宝盖头. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.